The humid air hangs heavy in Belize. It carries the scent of rainforest and the whisper of legends. These are not stories for the faint of heart. They are tales told in hushed tones under the cover of darkness. Tales of the Sisemite and the Shtabai. These creatures lurk in the shadows, waiting to prey on unsuspecting souls. The Sisemite, a hulking monstrosity, stands over 10 feet tall. Its muscular body is covered in coarse, black hair. The creature's face is grotesque, with a flat nose, glowing red eyes, and sharp teeth. Some say the Sisemite has backwards-facing feet, making it difficult to track. Its presence is announced by the stench of death and decay.
The Sisemite is a solitary creature, preferring the darkness of the rainforest. Here it hunts for its prey. Wild animals, lost travelers, all fall victim to its insatiable hunger. The Sisemite, also known as Sisemito, has a female counterpart, the Sisemita.
She, too, is a terrifying sight, targeting women with trickery and deceit. She imitates the cries of a human baby to lure unsuspecting women into her clutches.
Their legends are deeply ingrained in Belizean folklore, serving as a warning. Stay vigilant when venturing into the rainforest. The darkness holds dangers beyond your wildest imagination. The Sisemite and Sisemita are not merely creatures of myth. They are very real threats to the people of Belize. Encounters with these beasts are often terrifying, leaving lasting scars. Those who have seen the Sisemite up close speak of its blood-curdling roar echoing through the jungle.
The Sisemite is incredibly strong, uprooting trees and crushing bones with ease. It acts on its base desires for food and dominance.
The Sisemita, while smaller, is no less dangerous, using her intelligence to outsmart her victims. Stories abound of the Sisemita kidnapping children, keeping them as her own.
The thought of encountering either of these creatures in the dead of night is enough to send shivers down the spine. Their presence is a constant threat, a reminder of the power of the unknown lurking just beyond the safety of civilization. The people of Belize have learned ways to protect themselves from the Sisemite and Sisemita. These creatures fear water, avoiding it at all costs. Carrying a gourd filled with water is believed to keep them at bay. Dogs are also believed to be a deterrent, alerting people to danger. Fire is another common method of protection. A bright fire can serve as a beacon of safety. Just as terrifying as the Sisemite, but in a different way, is the Estabai. She is a creature of pure evil, preying on the desires of men. The Ixtabai often appears as a beautiful woman, her long flowing hair cascading down her back. Her eyes sparkle with an otherworldly light, her lips as red as blood.
She uses her beauty as a weapon, luring unsuspecting men to their deaths. The Ixtabai haunts the roads and pathways near villages, waiting for lonely travelers. Her voice is hypnotic, her words dripping with honeyed promises.
She may offer a weary traveler food, water, or companionship, but these offers are a ruse. Once the Artabai gains the trust of her prey, she reveals her true nature. Her beauty fades, replaced by a grotesque visage of death and decay. One tale tells of a 15-year-old boy named Miguel who encountered the Ixtabai on his way home from a neighboring village. The sun had set, and the moon cast long shadows across the dirt path. Miguel, tired from his journey, was startled by the sight of a beautiful woman sitting by the side of the road. She was dressed in a flowing white gown, her long black hair shimmering in the moonlight.
"Lost, young one?" she asked, her voice as smooth as silk.
Miguel, captivated by her beauty, could only nod, unable to tear his gaze from hers. The Ixtabai smiled, her lips parting to reveal sharp, pointed teeth. Her skin turned green and scaly, her eyes becoming cold and reptilian. Miguel screamed, a desperate plea for help that was swallowed by the night. The stories of the Sisemite, the Sisemita, and the Ixtabai are just a few of the many terrifying tales of Belize. Passed down through generations, these legends, offer a glimpse into Belizean fears and beliefs. They remind us of the power of the unknown and the importance of respecting nature. Listen to the whispers of the wind in the rainforest. You might hear echoes of these chilling tales, best left undisturbed.